how to create a custom color filter for your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, select a photo that you want to edit. Then tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the filters button at the bottom. And here I'm just going to revert my picture back to original. Then tap on the add button on the left hand side. From the pop-up, tap on create filter. So tap on create filter. And in here, select a sample picture. So here I'm going to select this picture here. And you can see this picture here has a mostly black and white color. So in here, it will use your photo, your selected pictures as a filter. You can tap on that to give it a name, then tap on done. Next, tap on create. So here we can create another custom filter. So this time I scroll down and say, I'm going to select this picture here, which mostly has a orange color. So based on the orange color right here, it will use that to apply it to your photo. And then tap on create. So here, that is the color filter. So custom color filter for your photos. And that's it. Once you have applied the filter, tap on the save button. And then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.